So hello everyone, good evening and welcome to Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5 2024. We are about to start the match in just a few minutes, but before the match starts, we would like to thank all our team owners, Team Digicom Sec Blazers by Digicom Sec, Icons Achievers by Team Icons, ITCG Game Changers by ITCG, delivering technology, MDR Avengers by MDR, Mumbai Data Recovery, Miracle Tech Strikers by Miracle Tech, Palo Protectors by Palo Makes Life Easy, Team RAC Titans by RAC Peace of Mind, and Sound Super Kings by Sound Solutions. A grand welcome to one and all. And also, we would like to thank our corporate sponsors. Cap sponsored by TP Link, water bottle sponsor by Bookmark Infotech, the Sixers being sponsored by Absolute Cloud, Boundaries by Team NJ, and Man of the Match Awards by Vidhi Data Recovery Lab. Also, we'd like to thank our media partners NCN, CRN, VAR India, Digital Tech Media, SME Channels, Selite News, and DT. Also, we'd like to thank our live team for bringing this broadcast live on YouTube, and to all our scorers and the umpires. A grand welcome to one and all. Good evening. It will be the match between Palo Protectors versus Miracle Tech Strikers. The toss has been won by Palo Protectors and they have elected to bat first. So just within a short span of time, we will be starting the qualifier.
हेलो 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 नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है। हेलो 1 2 3 हेलो हेलो हेलो। ओके, थोड़ा इधर कर दे, इधर आवाज नहीं आ रही। स्पीकर, हेलो हेलो, अटेंशन प्लीज। देखो सब लोग इधर खड़े हो गए। मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी। थैंक यू। रेडी स्टार्ट। यस, बैट्समैन आ गए हैं भाई। मिस्टर रवि, ओपनिंग बैट्समैन मिस्टर रवि एंड मिस्टर मुर्तुजा। जोरदार तालियां इन दोनों के लिए, प्लेयर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां। कम ऑन।
So then also we have some relief. We have Anil sir along with us in the combox. Welcome Anil sir. Good evening to one and all. And before the match starts, can we have 3 cheers for this match? Hip hip! अरे आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much, and let's start the match. The Miracle Tech Strikers versus Palo Protectors. Because it's a game where all the efforts will be put down. It's a last chance for both the teams. If they win, they are into the finals. And if they lose, they are gonna get ready for the next season. And for the final time, once again, both these openers are in the middle. One of the finest batsmen of the tournament, Ravi, at the strikers end, and Murtaza at the non-strikers end. So the final team hurdle here for, we can see both the batsmen also having the words, and the opposition team having the final words before the match starts. I think Anil Bhai is calling someone. Miracle Tech Strikers, their owner, Miracle Tech, they will be happy. They are into the qualifiers, and on the other end, we have Palo Protectors by Team Palo. Made life easy. They need to save each and every run. Our match officials are in the middle, and so are the scorers. So yes, we are all set. Can we have a big round of applause? Let the battle begin. And it's Samit Upadhyay. Yes, Samit Upadhyay to ball the first over. Qualifier. Here we go. The very first ball. Coming in for the right-handed batsman, hitting him on the thighs. It's a dot ball. Again the same delivery and a miscommunication. But this time the batsman survives. Rajesh Bhai is on the square leg region. Murtaza was running towards a danger end. It's the first run in the form of extras. Everybody's eyes on the ground number 1. Turf number 1 is the qualifier. This time playing it towards the mid wicket. This time he goes for a biggie. So the first maximum, it's an absolute cloud sixer by Ravi. And continuing his form again, it was in the air. A good attempt, a chance of a run out. Oh, the square leg umpire comes to an act. But it seems the batsman has made his ground. Murtaza once again was running towards the danger end. And surely each and every run will be important. This time the ball skids in and goes into the wicketkeeper's hand. First over gone, it's 9 runs. 9 runs after the first over. Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5, the second qualifier. Ravi and Murtaza. Well, they are known for their big hits. They can change the course of the game, but then it's Nilesh Bhai to bowl the second over. Now that's been driven straight to the field. The ball dipping in. It's a crucial game. And this time it's a white ball being signaled. The score into the double digits, 10 runs. Round the wicket once again. One more extra run. Now that's in the air. It touches the rooftop and it's an NJ boundary. 15 runs. Full toss and oh dear, we have seen the catches being taken and Sam, that's a good effort. But Ravi gets a lifeline. In KBC you get 4 lifelines, but in cricket 1 lifeline and it can change the whole scenario. 1 run more added, 16 runs. Leaving the ball is Murtaza. 1 more extra run. These are a handful of runs for Palo Protectors. It was in the air into the gap for yet another single. 18 runs. Wow, that's a good stroke. It's an absolute cloud sixer. And with that, over number 2 comes to an end. 24 runs. Sam coming to act and we can see he tried for the catch, but most important is that he saved 5 important runs. It was played into the gap. A clever shot by the clever batsman. Single run on the first over. 25 in 2.1 overs. And along with us we have Swapnil in the com box. This time he just wanted to target that leg stick, missing it completely, and it's 1 more extra run. Oh, what a good catch that is! Girish Bhai making no mistake, and Ravi has to walk back. So the line and length which Sam was looking for, he bowls it and gets a big reward. We can see it into the replays. The family members, the supporters who have joined us. Grand welcome to Assert Cricket Premier League. It's the qualifier number 2. And Palo Protectors are 2 wickets down. And the score is, I beg your pardon, is the first wicket which has fallen. 26 for 1. The big wicket of Ravi. Yes sir, 26 for 1 in 2.2 overs. So the first wicket is into the cap for Sam. Rohan Bhai, the new batter. It was in the air. A misfield. It's not a misfield, it's a reflector side. It's an NJ boundary. And the score moves on to 30 runs with help of these 4 runs. Rohan making his intentions clear. This time he has to reball again. It's a white ball. But surely this is a good start for Palo Protectors. They need to convert it into a big score. Sam getting ready at the bowler's end. Lower full toss and shown the direction which it needed. It's an absolute cloud sixer. 37 runs. Again a juicy full toss. This time onto the onside. It's an absolute cloud sixer. And just look at him. He's just a quiet, relaxed guy. Converting those big hits. 43 runs. The last ball of the third over. A good comeback by Sam. It's a dot ball to end the over number 3. It's 43 for 1. And it will be power over. And it's Sumit Upadhyay, the man who has bowled most of the power overs for Team Miracle, and he has done all his miracles to put the opposition in some pressure. 43 for 1 after 3 overs. And he's clean bowled. As we mentioned, here comes the man with the golden arm. -5. All the calculators will be on here. So we'll be declaring the runs after the over gets completed. But I think and I am sure everyone, those who are Miracle team supporters, they will be counting it, because the score before this ball was 43. -5 straight away on the very first ball. Sagar in the com box and Sagar on the field to start the innings for Palo Protectors. Oh, that's a short pitch delivery. And wicket followed by a dot ball. This time he slashes it hard, gets an edge, and the ball went out towards the third man. All kinds of messages given being to each other. Round of the wicket, and lucky enough once again. And see, these are all the techniques, because once the batter is not settled, he will surely change the bat and into the game. It's the most important over being bowled out. Wicket on the very first ball, and then after 3 dot balls. Crucial over. Oh! That would have been certain LBW in the overarm cricket, but this is a dot ball again. Sumit Upadhyay to Sagar. This is driven, and what an over this is. It's a wicket maiden over. Can we have a round of applause for Sumit Upadhyay? He has not given away any runs, but he has deducted minus runs. So the final score is 38 runs after 4 overs. Four overs gone, it's 38, and Swapnil joining us in the com box.
पलो प्रोटेक्टर्स 4 ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 38 विद लॉस ऑफ 2 विकेट्स। पांचवा ओवर लेके आ रहे मिरेकल टेक स्ट्राइकर से निसर्ग, सामना करेंगे रोहन। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी यहां पे डॉट बॉल के साथ। पहली ही गेंद डॉट बॉल डाली है। सामना करेंगे रोहन, और ये विकेट नंबर 3। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन मिरेकल टेक स्ट्राइकर की तरफ से, और अब मायूस होते जा रहे हैं रोहन, जिन्होंने अच्छी इनिंग स्टार्ट की थी इस मैच में। तीसरा झटका पालो प्रोटेक्टर्स को। नए बैट्समैन अमित सामना करेंगे निसर्ग का। नई जोड़ी मैदान पे, सागर और अमित। अमित स्ट्राइक पे सामना करेंगे निसर्ग का। 2 गेंदे डॉट हो चुकी है, उसमें से एक विकेट गया है। थर्ड गेंद और एक डॉट। प्रेशर बढ़ता हुआ, एक बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन। 4 गेंद डॉट हो चुकी है। स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं अमित निसर्ग के सामने। ओवर की 5वीं गेंद। नो बॉल का इशारा अंपायर का। नो बॉल और फ्री हिट। क्या सागर फ्री हिट का फायदे का मौका उठा पाएंगे? और इन्होंने मौका उठा दिया है। एब्सोल्यूट क्लाउड सिक्सर फ्रॉम सागर। और एक डॉट गेंद। ओवर की समाप्ति 46 विद लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स। 5 ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 46 फॉर 3। गेंदबाजी के लिए आइए, 6वां ओवर लेके आए हैं नीलेश। डू और डाई गेम फॉर बोथ द टीम्स। अमित सामना करेंगे नीलेश का। और ये एब्सोल्यूट क्लाउड 6 फ्रॉम अमित। बेहतरीन शॉट, बॉल को जज किया और स्ट्रेट बॉलर के ऊपर से। और एक एब्सोल्यूट क्लाउड सिक्सर अमित के बैट से। बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी यहां पे टीम का स्कोर और रन रेट बढ़ाते हुए अमित अपने टीम के लिए। वो जानते हैं कितना इंपॉर्टेंट मुकाबला है दोनों के लिए। स्कोर पहुंचा है 58।
Come on, Amit.
$58 runs with loss of 3 wickets, 5.2 overs. नीलेश अपने ओवर का तीसरा गेंद फेंकते हुए। स्ट्राइक पे है अमित। और एक काफी खूबसूरत शॉट, बट डॉट बॉल में इस गेंद का रूपांतर। अगली गेंद और एक खूबसूरत सा शॉट मिड विकेट पे और 1 रन चुरा लिया अपने टीम के लिए। एक अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स दोनों बल्लेबाजों की। स्ट्राइक के सागर। वाइड का इशारा अंपायर का।
आ गया स्कोर, आ गया सागर, आ गया स्कोर, आ गया शाबाश।
और एक कॉटन बॉल का चांस खो बैठे। अपने टीम के लिए एक रन बचाया है उन्होंने। फिर से एक बार वाइड का इशारा अंपायर का। और एक खूबसूरत सी एंड ऑफ दिस ओवर। 6 ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 61, लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स। सातवां ओवर लेके आए कल्पेश, सामना करेंगे अमित। दोनों टीमों को पता है ये कितना इंपॉर्टेंट मुकाबला है। डू और डाई, करो या मरो। सातवां ओवर लेके आए कल्पेश, सामना करेंगे अमित। और बेहतरीन शॉट, लेकिन खूबसूरत कैच। अपना चौथा विकेट खो बैठे फील्डर जिग्नेश ने। बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से जंप करके जंपिंग कैच पकड़ा है।
दरवाजा बंद कर दो, दरवाजा दरवाजा बंद कर दो एम्पायर।
बोलो, प्रोटेक्टर्स ने अपना चौथा विकेट खोया है।
आशीष
आशीष, लेफ्ट हैंड बैट्समैन, नए बल्लेबाज, सामना करेंगे कल्पेश का। फील्डिंग में थोड़ा परिवर्तन किया है और खूबसूरत ड्राइव, बट एक रन से संतुष्ट होना पड़ेगा बल्लेबाजों को। सागर, इस टूर्नामेंट में सागर ने काफी अच्छी बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी की है और एक रन से संतुष्ट होना पड़ेगा। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी कल्पेश द्वारा। स्ट्राइक पे आशीष, सामना करेंगे कल्पेश का। और ये खूबसूरत शॉट, एनजे बाउंड्री, आशीष की तरफ से। अपने टीम को एक महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दे रहे हैं। और अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट, एक रन पूरा किया। स्ट्राइक पे अगेन सागर। फील्ड में थोड़ा परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं कप्तान। और फिर एक बार गलती और एक विकेट गंवा दिया पलो प्रोटेक्टर्स ने। और खूबसूरत सा कैच पकड़ा है मेरेकल टेक स्ट्राइकर्स के फील्डर ने। नए बैट्समैन अमर। सात ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद स्कोर है 68 विद लॉस ऑफ 5 विकेट्स। आखिरी ओवर इस इनिंग का। सात ओवर, स्कोर 68, 5 विकेट खोए पलो डेकोरेटर्स ने, प्रोटेक्टर्स ने, सॉरी। जिग्नेश आखिरी ओवर लेके आ रहे हैं। जिग्नेश, इस इनिंग का आखिरी ओवर। आशीष चाहेंगे कुछ बड़े हिट लगा के स्कोर को कुछ अच्छा फाइटिंग स्कोर बनाए। बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी यहां पे और अच्छी फील्डिंग। डॉट बॉल। बेहतरीन शॉट, एब्सोल्यूट क्लाउड 6 आशीष के बल्ले से। अच्छा योगदान दे रहे हैं अपने टीम को इस डू और डाई मुकाबले में। फिर से एक बार एक रन चुरा लिया है। स्ट्राइक पे अमर, 3 गेंदे बाकी। फील्ड में थोड़ा परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं कप्तान। बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी, पूरी तरह से बीट हो चुके हैं अमर यहां पे। फिर से एक बार अच्छी गेंदबाजी, लेग बाइज के रूप में रन लेना चाहते थे लेकिन यहां पे रन आउट। छठा विकेट खोया है यहां पे पलो प्रोटेक्टर्स ने। इस इनिंग की आखिरी गेंद, सामना करेंगे आशीष। $75, लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द इनिंग्स। और ये कैच आउट। 8 ओवर में 76 रन का टारगेट रखा है मिरेकल टेक स्ट्राइकर्स के सामने। 48 balls and 76 runs to win this knockout game.
So, all right, very good evening and Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5 2024, the qualifier, the second innings, the run chase will be on for Miracle Tech Strikers, one of the finest recommended pair. Jignesh Bhai and Nisarg are in the middle. When the day started, both these batsmen, they gave us 150, 130, 140 run partnership. One of the finest pairs. 76 runs is the target. Jignesh Bhai will be on strike and on non-strike is Nisarg. And we are seeing Ravi getting ready on the bowling stride. Kishore, it has been a day of ups and downs. 76 runs to win. And Palo protectors, they need to protect their score. They need to defend it. Because if both these batsmen get settled down, surely they are gonna go for the big hits. We have seen all these stats throughout the day. Ravikant is one of the highest run getter in the tournament. Following him is Jignesh Bhai. So this time it will be an tough fight between both these players. So let's start the second innings. Ravi to Jignesh Bhai. A defensive stroke offered. Now it's in the air, into the gap, a chance. A single, but it was a risky single. And we can see the smile on Nisarg's face. He's on the second spot of the best batsman. He has scored 214 runs. But Ravi is on 216 runs. So both the players playing against each other. One at the bowling end and one at the batting end. And on third spot is Jignesh Bhai with 138 runs. So top three players in the middle against each other. Bowling round the wicket. Oh! Oh! The scenarios happening here. They are appealing. They are appealing. It's all the scenarios happening. The umpires will have a word. There are 3 umpires on the field. They are appealing. Was the ball touching the stumps? It's gonna be a crucial. I think only the captains can have a word. If what we just had a word in the morning. If any queries, the captain can surely have a word with the umpires, and he's out. Yes, it is a wicket, number 1. And it was a wicket. Inside edge, ricocheting. The ball was going towards the stumps. He tried to stop the ball, but then surely the ball hit the stump base. It's a wicket. Please, I would request, we have to take a decision, and the decision is OUT. So the big wicket of Nisarg. One run, 1 wicket. Samit Upadhyay. Again a chance. But then a good piece of a running. Jignesh Bhai into the attack now. Look at that temper. The ball skidding in. Well, the bowler having some word, some guidance with the umpire. Again an outside edge. Very well fielded. Amar Bhai, that's a good save. 2 runs. 2 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. 76 is the target. And it will be Murtaza to bowl the second over. Ravi having a word. Amit giving some guidance to Ravi and Murtaza. These are some final moments, some crucial moments of the qualifier. A do or die situation for both the teams. What a good piece of a bowling this is. Targeting the leg stump line. Now that's been played on the onside. A quick single. On strike is Jignesh Bhai, and he opens his account. He opens the big hits account in this match. Absolute cloud sixer. Again, it just coming down the track. Saw the ball was outside the leg stump. One more extra run. Again, an extra run here. Now that's in the air. Oh, Nilesh Bhai trying his luck hard there. A good attempt. These are all kind of moments which are needed. That's up in the air. It's an absolute cloud sixer. A good strike by the informed batsman. Once again, he charges down, playing it into the gap. And a single. A sensible strike by the big man. The score stands 18 runs. Yes, 18 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Each and every run will be important. Rohan to bowl the third over. That's a big leg spin. And surely some well, before this delivery we saw some words being exchanged between the batsman and the bowler. But they were like happy moments. A good delivery. He charges down. It's an absolute cloud sixer. Maximum result. Oh! Wide ball. That's a very good delivery. This time getting an edge. 25 is the score. Full toss delivery. The ball was dipping in. A dot ball. It's end of the over number 3 and the score is 25. 25 runs. 30 balls, 51 runs required. 30 balls, 51 runs required. And now the most important over. The power over. And most important, we have seen Samit also playing an important role in the batting unit. Ravi to bowl the power over. Well, I guess after the ball is being bowled, umpires will signal it and it will be a free hit. So a quick single. So we'll declare the runs after the over. All the calculators are on. 1 extra run. All the runs will be doubled. It was a full toss and absolute cloud sixer. Surely we saw Jignesh Bhai having a sigh of a relief. And he was just like, okay, that's one work done. Again a full toss. Very well played. A sensible batting. Sixer followed by a single. Samit on strike. That's again a very competitive cricket. He is not taking undue risk. All the runs will be doubled. This time down the leg side. White ball has been signaled. A defensive stroke. They know the work has been done. Delivery left. So most important, he will try to save his wicket. Yes, he does it. And the power over comes to an end. The final score. Can we know the next bowler's name, sir? Just a second. So just give us a second. All the stats have been uploaded on Creek Heroes. The score will be updated in just a mere second. "49 for 1. 49 for 1 after 4 overs. That means 27 runs are required in 24 balls. Whoa, that was a good delivery. A quick single. It was Jignesh Bhai's call and a single run on the very first ball. Sagar Ghag bowling round the wicket. It's a wide ball. These are all handful of runs for Team Miracle. The ex-strikers, a very good ball and a defensive shot, giving the right treatment it needed. So playing according to the merit, it's a biggie. It's an absolute cloud sixer. 19 runs needed, 21 balls remaining. Again it's been played on the onside. It's an NJ boundary. So the man standing for the Team Miracle in the middle. He's playing a very important knock here. 2 balls left. Oh dear. That's a good comeback by Sagar. The big wicket. Has he taken a wicket which can change the turnaround of the game? You cannot take away the protectors, the Palo protectors from this match. Sagar has opened a gate here for Palo protectors. The big wicket of Jignesh Bhai. We have witnessed one super over in a day. And that's a good delivery. A quick single. And now with that over comes to an end. The equation stands 14 runs in 18 balls. 14 runs in 18 balls. And I think some messages are being passed on from the dugouts from both the teams. Yes, sir. Nilesh Bhai is on the bowler's end. So it will be Nilesh versus Nilesh. Single run on the first ball. Samit Upadhyay on striker's end. Wow, what a ball that was, but still, it's a wide ball. We saw a bit of a swing there. Well, everyone having a good day here. It's a white ball. One more extra run for Miracle Tech. It's in the air. Just falling short of the field on the onside. And now the equation is 9 in 16. Now run Sod Bolma. On the back foot. He just wanted to leave it away. It's a dot ball. On the back foot, he goes for a biggie. It's an absolute cloud sixer. You beauty. Nilesh Bhai showing his skills in the middle, releasing the pressure. And now just 3 runs needed in 14 balls. And we can see the dugout of Miracle. A bit of a superstitions being predicted. They are still in. Oh! What a catch by Kiran Bhai. Kiran Bhai taking a good catch. Still some chances. We cannot predict. It's a game of uncertainties. 3 runs in 13 balls. I guess in the afternoon we saw 6 balls, 2 runs being defended. It's 3 runs in 13 balls. Left-handed batsman Tejas Bhai on strike. Oh, beating the outside edge, bowling in the corridor of uncertainties. Dot ball to end the over. 12 balls and 3 runs. 3 runs in 12 balls. The right and left in combination. In the middle for Miracle Tech strikers. Palo Protectors. Can they turn around once again? It's a must-win game for both the teams. 3 runs. 3 run 12 गेंदों में. Well, that's a full toss. Jatin Bhai on the bowling end. That's been driven back to the bowler. A chance. It's a chance for a run out. Direct hit. Direct hit by Ravi. Yes, this is what I was saying. Do not leave away because Palo Protectors, they have a ability to defend it. And now Kalpesh comes in the middle at the non-striker's end. 2 runs needed. 2 runs needed. Well, chasing it. Yes, it's a single. And now the scores are leveled. Just a run needed. And the ball ricochets off the outside edge. It's a wicket. Oh dear. A good piece of a fielding there. He just premeditated it. It was not needed. Good piece of a fielding by Amar Bhai. Single run needed. The Palo Protectors are giving a tough fight here. तीन बॉल बाकी है. 5 wickets have fallen. 8 balls remaining. 8 balls remaining. 1 run needed. 1 run needed, sir. 2 balls are leaving in this over.
2 to go.
Yes, 2 to go. Everyone in the scoring unit are counting the balls and the runs. Now that's been driven, not for any runs. Jatin Bhai making a good over count here. Oh, It's a risky single, but then it's the winning run. Palo Protectors, you all gave your 100%, but then Miracle Tech Strikers finishing the line with a victory. Can we have a round of applause for Palo Protectors? So, Miracle Tech Strikers are in the finales.